For a gallant spirit there can never be defeat. How glorious a greeting the sun gives the mountains. A place for everything, everything in its place. Every charitable act is a stepping stone towards heaven. We can change our lives. We can do, have, and be exactly what we wish. I celebrate myself and sing myself. I love those who yearn for the impossible. I'm so fresh in soul and spirit that life gushes and bubbles around me in 1,000 springs. The meaning I picked, the one that changed my life, overcome fear, behold wonder. Your heart is full of fertile seeds, waiting to sprout. It is by acts and not by ideas that people live. Ideas shape the course of history.